Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy one part an image to another in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see copy one part of image into another. Now going to the firstly open from picture. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now select from picture and click for open. Now we can see resize the picture. Now click from confirm option. Now we can see part of picture in the another place. Now going to the rectangle select option. Now select from part of picture. Now going to the edit menu option, then click. Now click from copy option and going to the move tool option. Now keyboard press for Ctrl V. That it's. Now you can see part of an picture and another place is Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.